Alright, since you guys really liked my last video, I'm going to show you guys a room tour. Welcome to AquaTechFantasy, and it's about that time. Definitely check out my YouTube channel for all of this. The Elgato key light here, of course. Of course, that brings maximum light in here. Okay, so this right here is the bread of it. I'm gonna put all the prices, all the names of everything here. We got the Corsair headset right here. Corsair headset. Got the Beat by Dre headphones right here. We got the D-Room going on right here. D-Room, you can do Bluetooth. Pac-Man Life, G Fuel. Z Fold 7 right here. I just wanted to show you on this optic MSI monitor, the MPG27C CQ. It has RGB also under the monitor too, which is pretty cool. It can show what's on the screen, and it can also show as a health bar or X gaming monitor. All 2K display. My Samsung tablet, Alienware, social media controller. Let me show you what I mean by the social media controller, by the way. This controller, you can text while you're playing Call of Duty. It's crazy, right? So from here, you can hit this, right? And then press Y, social, right there. Corsair Stream Deck, the ASUS ROG Corsair keyboard with the touch display. This is the touch display, by the way. We have the Series X, the PS5, attached with 10 terabytes. Switch with the Animal Crossing dock. Xbox 360, Elgato HDMI switch, so I don't have to turn any of this off. We have the X Blaster with the Super Bass. Also have the PS2 on deck. Now I'm about to show y'all something real cool. Okay, I want you to follow my mouse. Follow my mouse here. It's still on one device. This is my laptop. Now it's to my tablet. Follow the mouse. Follow the mouse. Down to the ASUS ROG. Down to the ASUS ROG is seamless. Down to the phone. It's seamless. Shout out to Mark Generous for the beat. You already know what it is. And then I wanted to show you the OBS bot right here. This thing is kind of crazy. It's following me. Yeah, it's following me around right now. This is the device that I use a lot. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I have an 8 USB port right here as well. I have a legendary CDKR guitar right here. Look at this. This is the Secret Labs Monster Hunter limited edition chair right here. Pretty high quality, and it's extra large, so definitely. And it has the dragon scale here as well, and it's inverted. And guess what? And this magnetic.